morning everyone from Rome. Today we are going to discover some of the most beautiful paintings of Caravaggio that you can enjoy just walking into churches. So we are in front, my hair is a bit crazy today, and we are in front of the church of Saint Agostino, Saint Augustine, this super cute little square. Let's go inside. As you can see, works are in progress. Renovation works are in progress, and most of the church is actually covered inside. However, we can see a couple of really nice things, like this one as soon as you enter. This is the Madonna del Parto. Madonna del Parto translates in English in Madonna of the Parturition. And she's basically the protector of the childbirths, and she's really popular, and you can see it by the amount of dedications she gets still today. But the main reason why we came here is not her, but her. So it's a little bit dark, so you need to put some coins in here to get the light on. I forgot to bring some coins, so I had to go out, get some money, exchange it, blah blah blah. But now I got it, so we're ready. Here we have the Madonna of the Pilgrims. We have the Virgin Mary holding the baby Jesus. She just opened the door to those pilgrims that knocked at her door. What Caravaggio does is to paint the Virgin Mary and the baby Jesus not as saints, but just as everyday people, normal people with everyday problem, as everybody does. She looks kind of busy, and she had to open the door to someone that knocked at the door. Also, the way he paints the Virgin Mary is, she has her shoulders a little bit uncovered, and Caravaggio was actually criticized a lot because he was using prostitutes as her models, even when he had to paint subjects like the Virgin Mary. Also, the way he depicts the pilgrims, you see they are dirty, they are old, they don't look good, because everything has to be natural and real, as it would be really in reality. Another feature of Caravaggio is, of course, the lights and the shadows. Oh, the light is gone. Anyway, you can see the figures are really sticking out from the darkness, and that's what makes his painting so special. That was painting number one in church number one, but it's not over yet, because only a few meters distance there is another church, the church of San Luigi dei Francesi. It's a French church, and here we have 3 Caravaggio paintings. Inside here as well they are doing some renovation works. This is what you would call a Rococo style. Makes you think of Versailles, doesn't it? Enter from the side door, not the main one. If you follow me yesterday, you know why. This is the central nave. To find Caravaggio, we need to go on this nave here on the side, and we will find him right at the end. Here we are. Someone has put already the coins for us. Look at this marvel. So these 3 paintings represent the story of Matthew, the evangelist. On our left we have the conversion of Matthew. We have Jesus pointing his finger to Matthew, that is a tax officer. Look at the hand of Jesus here. Doesn't recall anything. That was kind of inspired by the Sistine Chapel of Michelangelo, the creation of Adam. Here we have Matthew that is writing down the text after he's old, after all his life. The angel is helping him, pointing out the main points of what he has to write. And look at this chair. It looks almost like it's falling onto us. Here we have the scene of the martyrdom of Matthew. He was during the mass. We can tell because there is an altar in here, and he stabbed at the back, and we can tell by the way the blood is flowing out of his chest. And the guy is about to finish him. All the characters, you see this face? That is the face of Caravaggio. Caravaggio painted his face, and this has a meaning. It means that he was actually at the scene, so he is painting the story as he saw it with his own eyes. So the story is real. Now we're out of the church. Caravaggio, we know that he has been living in this area. He didn't go that far when he was in Rome. And we can actually get to his house. The house where he painted the first painting we saw today, the Madonna of the Pilgrims. And it's right here. From those churches, 5 minutes walk or 1 minute by bike. We get into the Vicolo del Divino Amore, very narrow street, and apparently this is really small, and apparently number 19 is his house, and this is where he painted the Madonna of the Pilgrims.